Hey guys, I'm back and I'm ready. And I just reviewed my video and my graphics are pretty good and my computer is catching up. So now you can see it a lot better. And here it is. And before the test video, which isn't an official video, I was just testing it to see how it worked. I think I did the dance for it. Anyway, so here they are, and I decided to do my testing area away from there because I'm not going to get all scientific and all here. I just like playing with redstone, see what I can do, and I discovered how to make this, so if I want to nominate someone to be the dance king or queen, I can lift them up and take them down, and here's how I made it. So, here we have sticky pistons. Okay? And you may say, like, the redstone's not going up and touching it. It doesn't matter, because pistons can, pretty much anything that can be powered by redstone can retrieve the power by one block as long as it's just touching the block. If it's by 2 blocks, it won't be able to retrieve it. I have 2 repeaters, because I have it widened out, because let's say that I want to connect to this box too, and people might say I could have just done like, let me find redstone first. People might say I could just done that, but that won't work right there, because I can't get a toggle ray. See? I'll only power one of them. And now it powers all of them, and it goes down. And so each block on one side, so you want to have 2 spaces away from it, and to find the middle is really easy, because if you follow my pattern, then it should be the only one that's in the middle that matches it, like this. This is the yellow square with red in it, and that's the red corner. Green has the blue corner, and so forth and so forth. Okay, and once you figure that out and you know it for sure, then you destroy it. Okay? Now don't destroy another block and go back up there. Okay? Here's how you do it. So, but first, before you destroy it, get that thing filled there, and then put on your shift, then, because your pistons will face you when you put them at a place, and then you take your wool, and, oh, so that's how you do it. I can't believe that. It's already right. Someone help me here. I need one. There we go. Anyway, so then you don't put like a yellow cube, or it'll mess it up. Because remember, you have that switched pattern, so it's diagonally red, and then red there, and then yellow here, and so forth and so forth. And then just do that. At first it may not work because you're gonna have more than 15 blocks, as in there too. Do my version, then you may have to use 2 repeaters, but then it should work properly. Find out. Or if you even want to do something like this, where but I don't like that. I don't like it to go fast. And that's it. But we're still gonna keep recording because I have some other things I want to show you. And I'm gonna show you how to make a good looking server for all those people who've been asking me to do this. So, but that's a day for him. This is my first one, and this is a original design, or at least I think so. I'm not taking any ideas. I just thought it would be cool to make a dance floor, and then I just kind of mixed the colors up. So maybe someone else might have come up with this. I don't know. Maybe I invented this and made it with pistons, but I don't know. But this is my first design. Wait, hold on. Did I? Yep. Cool. And as you can see, it's a lot more complex. But anyway, it's a lot more complex. But I just learned out the easy way. I came up with it and I thought, well, why not just do that? Because I didn't know it can, like, transfer redstone by one block up, like the other one. But, what the heck? Stop and, oh my gosh, did I just, oh. Never mind. Okay. Anyways, here's that. Pretty cool. And again, someone else might do this, but I haven't seen anyone do this, so I think for like my properties, it's pretty much original on my properties. And I know someone else in the internet, just don't comment about that, okay? But if no one else did, and you guys think this is interesting, well, here it is. Pretty cool design. And now we're gonna go on to my server world. And I showed you this lava pyramid. And I got it from Jumbo Muffin 27. And he was Pablo's Jr., so you can see him pop up at Minecraft's Dad, and we'll see him there. And not really that much to do. Oh, and I did get some ideas from Pablo's Jr., like some walkways. I'm still working on that, and some buildings, and also a church to defend off. Only I have a different model instead of hiding in here, and just in case if any mobs come in here and destroy it. So what I like to do is soon I'm gonna hook this up to levers. Levers, and someone is gonna activate it, and we're gonna try getting some more pits, and it's those buttons right here. If you can see my mouse cursor, there's not buttons, but numbers above your hotbar, and so I decided to do that. And if these will stay certain, so for anyone gets hurt, they can walk in here, reinforce themselves with some pork if they're hungry for some reason, and leather armor and a stone sword. So I'm not cheating so much by spawning things in. I'm just getting, old leather armor and pork. And you may say, dude, you have 64 pork. That's cheating. Not really, because it doesn't heal hearts anymore. And I just thought it would be good for hunger if you're losing hearts by hunger. And you can only eat a limited number of them unless you get hungry again. So not really that much cheating. So yeah. And it's just regular stone swords, not wooden swords, because we would get destroyed. Oh yeah, that's an error. Like, the first door you place is the first one to open. Like, if I want to open this one and I right click on it, it opens like open but don't close them, just open the other one. So, find out which one you usually open first. I usually here because if I'm like running from a creeper here, and I wanna, hold on, did that one. If I'm running from a creeper, and I wanna just go in here, just close me out, and the creeper may come in, may not, but it's a better chance it's not, but still, I don't know about that, but, and the reason is so our houses don't get blown up, okay? Oh, and here's my friend's house, and he's not on here right now because his Minecraft thing is still updating. Takes a while, but he'll be here soon, and I'm just watching my feet on his doormat, and he has a nice little hut, and I made him an attic with special effects, which is cobwebs and attic window, and also some old chests that have nothing in here, well, for now, at least. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna run out of room downstairs, so, and we're gonna have to put up here, but right now his room only has one bed, but my house, it has two beds, so, like, if we're in a rush, okay, and we don't have the time to like turn for the trick because like there's a creeper right behind us and it might blow my top and the roofs up, and if we just wanna run in my house, I have two beds, so we can get started night faster. I did my house because he hasn't been on here yet because he has a different version of me. He doesn't have 1.0. Yep. His version probably took a long back in the fountain of youth. Yeah. I need to tell him to get in the lava pit of oldness. I'm gonna go in there right now. Oh, I'm getting so old. Yep, so. And that's my server. Oh, I don't want it to be nice yet. Hold on. What the? Tank. There we go. Oh yeah, and that's a command. You don't need a mod for it. You can just type it in. Don't say the like set time to or blah blah blah, because that won't work for some reason. Okay, for some reason it has to be all technical, and I don't know why, but it's just that. Okay, so like instead of saying the item that you want when you want to spawn something, you have to give an ID number for like give something to thing for. Oh, that's original. Oh, what a coincidence. We all start out with this, 274. I'm gonna have to write that down, but you know guys, I did not plan this, okay? That is just completely original. I can promise you that. Alright. Oh, I guess because no, I think I'm okay with it. I'll just go to my inventory, but I'm gonna burn it. Oh yeah, and here's how you can change game modes. One is for creative and 0. Dang, I got the other Z. Here, I want to get an example. Okay, 9870. And as you can see, my hearts are back, and so my meat pups. Oh, my son took the pics right thing. Okay, so maybe I am cheating a lot. Fine. I'll burn him. But I keep my booty. I keep my feet warm. And also, it's just 1.5 hours, please. Guess not. You guys are killing me. It's like you guys are helping me with comments, and you guys are helping me with comments. Ugh. I have an idea. I hope it went through the grass, because I actually regret grass. Because I actually regret that fully. Dang. You guys just, I felt like you guys burned me with comments. I'm gonna go back on, really good. And yes, I am kind of cheating, because I set the monsters to false. And I know, but since my time is in progress, I don't want anyone who is just blowing up anything, like creepers and skeletons shooting me to death, and, well, can't die, but you can die in creative if you enter a void, which is under bedrock. That's odd. There it is. So, pretty cool. And I reviewed that video again, and looks my graphics are better now. Okay, as long as it's in full screen, which it is. So, and I'll get that package from my webcam soon. Okay, guys. So it's pretty cool. And guys, let me stop you here, because right now I'm not getting so much comments, but I know soon when my videos just get high views out, and even though I have 2 subscribers and 3 friends. But guys, before I get like comment world or whatever, just know this. Any one of you who are gonna ask me for IP address, that's not gonna happen, okay? But I will make a fan server, guys, so don't even start wasting your fingertips typing, can I have the IP address, what's the IP address, or whatever. But what I can do is I can promote your videos. If you want to trail behind me, and I'm trailing behind Paul Forstiner, if you want me to promote your videos, or if you want me to get on a local server, okay, that you are on, and it has to be whitelist, because I'm not going to accept any private server IPs. I will just decline them and send it to you guys, because I'm just going to say nope, I don't accept private servers, but I will accept local servers if you want me to show up there and do a little interview of it and kind of promote that too. I will do that. Okay. But I'm not going to accept any private servers, okay? I'm sorry, guys. The only IP address I'm giving out, that the only time the people, dude, the only people I'm giving my IP address out to is my friends and my family, okay? Anyone else? Nada. Okay, and I'm sorry, guys. Just that. But if you just want to have a server and you want to have fun on it because you think it's awesome and epic, because it really is, I can do the server setup, okay? And what you can do is you can tell me which brand of, like, what network you're working with. Like, okay, everyone knows what a modem is, right? It's the one that gives you your internet thing. I'm saying that I can help you figure out how to get a server with the type of modem you have. Like, I have an AT&T modem, and that's what I'm talking about. So, and I am like a huge computerist, so I don't know if that's even a word. So, if you guys need help setting up a server, I can help you guys set up a server with great details. Of course it rains. But I can, yay! But I can set up, and I think the Fountain of Youth saved me from the rain. Yay. But I can tell you how to set up with great details with any type of it. Okay, because I have AT&T users, and it was a struggle finding someone with the same brand, okay? But I finally found someone, and it turns out it is so easy. Okay, to port forward. Now, if you guys search up a lot of those videos trying to find one with your kind of brand, and you hear anyone say port forward, you exit out. Don't, okay? Because it's not even port forwarding for any of you, it's just configuring. So trust me, guys, and leave a comment. But since AT&T is pretty rare, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do one of those. Okay? I wonder if I should just cut in this video. Yeah, I'll just cut in this video. But anyway, so it takes some steps, but once you have it up, you will never regret this. So, if you have Windows 7, this would be pretty easy. Okay? But if you don't and you have something else, then you'll have something that says run right here with a file that's kind of stupid. Click that and then type in it what I say in the bar, okay? Type in IP. Wait. No, never mind. Sorry, my bad. I mean, alright, CMD. And look on the programs, and this black screen that looks black should pop up, and click on it. And then type in IP. Hold on. Just type in this. IP CONFIG. That's IP config. Then hit enter. And this will pop up, and you may have to scroll up a little bit, but here's what we're looking for. IP4 address and default gateway. So write this down. Once you have that down, just close it, okay? And it won't matter. So then here's what the default gateway is for. Type in your default gateway in the bar right here. So that's so once you type that in, go to it. And if you have AT&T versus whatever brand, this will pop up as default gateway, including the point. And the www or .com, just type it in. Then go to settings, firewall, applications, okay, and choose your computer. And it's pretty much always going to be the top one. And then here's what we're interested in. Now, MC server is the name of my server. It's not the address, but And once you have all that, and he's going to be exploring the cell unless you are a professional, but just click add new user to find definition, and here's what you want to type in application profile name. Just type in something that's easy to remember for your Minecraft server. I like to use NC server, Minecraft server, and protocol, keep it on TCP. Now port or range is 25565 and 25565 on the other side, from 25565 to 25565. Now the protocol timeout is this right here. TCP default is 68400. So, no, never mind. It's 86400. Okay. Now map or host port is the same thing as before. It's 25565, and the application type is PPTP Virtual Private Network Server. Now I'm not going to add it to the list, okay? So I'll go ahead and do it because it's going to ask me for something, and I type it in, and if it doesn't ask me for it, then it's just going to say error. It already has this name, so I'll go ahead and do that. Here. Now it may ask you for a login password, and it's not your email account, AT&T or whatever. Here's what it is. It's on a power unit, okay, but not like your computer or anything. It's usually found near the circuit breaker, so probably in your basement if you have one. And it's a tiny box that has that's from AT&T. It comes with it. And there's a password on it, okay? So it's 10 digits, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, then and if you don't reset anything, I'm sorry that you're gonna have to wait a little while, because that's what I did. But eventually, the AT&T person came here because our TV had a problem, and I asked him what it was, and he said it was AT&T's modem password. Okay? So, if you look that up on Google or anything, then it will show you a picture of it, and they'll stick around for it, and if you can't find it, then call an AT&T person or wait for them to come over eventually, because they will. I think they do a checkup every year, and usually it's soon, so. But once you get that, type in the 10-digit code, and once you have it, it should say congratulations or whatever. Then go ahead and close that. And then I like to create a new file. Okay? And I send all my stuff here. And it's very easy because it usually just pops up on your desktop once you run the Minecraft server on the Minecraft homepage right here. You run this, okay? I'm not going to run it right now, or it'll force me to log off my server. And so just run it. Then you can minimize that, but still have that, okay? And then it should say error or warning, can't find scanned IPs, warning, can't find ops or whatever. And don't worry about that. That's nothing, because it'll go ahead and put it on, and the icons will just pop up here. So when making a new server, drag all the icons in here. And then you wanna go ahead and off yourself, okay? So you can build, but they're actually automatically off. But still, it's just good to have your name there, just in case. So you're opt everywhere. I like to have my whitelist on off, and here's how to do that. Now here's the server properties. So you need to have the extension so you can see the properties and stuff. Oops. Nope. So here's the default settings. Alright. Go ahead and allow the nether, because you may want to go get some blaze rods to make. Hold on. Mom, I'm recording. I need 2 more minutes. Sorry guys, my mom is pretty angry because she has a whole lot of toys. But anyways, so take a good look at this. I have my masters on false so I can say out game mode 0, PvP false because I don't want any fighting. Okay? Online mode always true, spawn animals 2, whitelist false, and all that. Okay? Then just save that. Run your Minecraft server. You can run stats if you want. And something like this should pop up. Okay? And this is like the thing where you can command your server to do stuff like stop and all that stuff. And then you run regular Minecraft and type in the IP4 address, okay? And don't do the exact settings I did because every computer has a different IP4 and default gateway address, okay? If not IP4, then try default gateway, but again, every single last one is different. And if you reset your modem, if you look here, it'll say like lost connection to some numbers, and those numbers are your new server IP address, okay? And so once you have that, then you can just look here again and run it. And start regular Minecraft, type in a number after you click multiplayer, and then you're good. And that's all. And if you want to stop the Minecraft server, I recommend typing stop in here, hit enter, and it'll save and all that. And there you go. And thank you for watching, and I hope this helped. Leave a like if this helped you. Okay, and comment again about my graphics if they're good or not. But comment, like, subscribe, and hope this helped. Bye.